Go from a total beginner to a digital marketing expert. No bluff, just a proven roadmap. Hello and welcome to ShePixel, the channel where you get all the AI updates under one roof. So today I'm going to tell you guys 6 solid ways to master digital marketing. This is the part 1 of ways to master digital marketing. Stay tuned for part 2 as well for the complete picture. So let's break it down step by step, starting from the basics. One of the fastest ways to get really good at digital marketing in 2025 is to stop just reading about it and start trying things out for yourself. So the best way to learn is by actually posting and experimenting on social media, especially on X. The main difference between X and other platforms is how they handle average content, the mediocre content. So the most platforms like Instagram, Google will in fact penalize you if you keep posting content that doesn't get much engagement. For example, if you post twice a day on Instagram for 2 to 3 months and no one really interacts with your posts, then Instagram assumes that people are not interested. So even if you start sharing better content later, it is harder to get noticed. However, it might give you more views than usual, but you probably won't go viral right away. Why? Because you have already shown Instagram that your content is just okay, it is mediocre. And it works the same way on other platforms like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. They all track how people respond to your posts. But then X is completely different. You could post 3 times a day or even 10 times a day, and if most of it is average content that no one interacts with it, it doesn't matter. The moment you post something amazing, it can still blow up. Your past posts won't hold you back. So if you're serious about getting better, start posting on X. Pay attention to what people like and interact with and what they don't. It doesn't matter if you have a lot of followers or not. If your content is interesting, X will show it to more people on the platform. Once you figure out which posts perform the best, then you can take the top 10 to 20% and then you can share those same posts on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Now, this is how you create success on all social media platforms without wasting too much time. Besides testing content on social media, having a website and ranking on Google is one of the smartest long-term marketing strategies in 2025. So starting a blog is actually one of the easiest ways to do this. And you know what's the best part? It is super simple. For around $100, you can get a domain and hosting. Now, whether you use DreamHost, GoDaddy, or another service, setting up a blog is quick and almost automatic. Now, all you need to do is focus on creating and sharing your content. Now, the key to a successful blog is creating content that performs well. Now, here's an easy way to figure that out. Go to ubersuggest.com and enter a competitor's website. It will show you how much traffic they get, their most popular pages, and the keywords driving that traffic. Now, this gives you a clear idea of the kind of content you should create and content that Google already loves. Next, visit your competitor's website and check out the pages that are getting the most traffic. See what topics they are covering and how they are presenting the information. Now, your goal is to create a blog post that's even better, more detailed, more in-depth, and more to date. Now, this works because Google loves fresh, high-quality content. That's exactly why Wikipedia ranks so well. Now, it's constantly updated with new information. So your competitors probably aren't updating their content as often as Wikipedia. Now, here's the good part. So once you have created a better, more detailed and updated blog post, you can go back to Ubersuggest. It will show you all the websites linking to your competitors' post. Now reach out to those sites and let them know that your content is more detailed, more helpful, and more recent. Explain why linking to your post would benefit their audience more than the outdated one. Now, this is a smart way to get more backlinks to your website and improve your Google rankings over a period of time. But learning digital marketing doesn't stop here. Now that you have got the basics down, it's time to focus on optimizing and scaling. Now, traffic to a website means nothing if it doesn't turn into sales or leads. Now, this is the reason why optimizing your website is so important. Most websites get hundreds, even thousands of visitors, but only about 1% actually become customers. In other words, for every 100 people who visit your site, 99 are leaving without buying anything or even signing up as a lead. So your main problem is not getting more traffic. It is turning more of your existing visitors into consumers. Most people leave without taking any action, and fixing that is the key. So this is where heat maps come in, and a tool called Crazy Egg can help. It shows you exactly where people are clicking, that is the hot spots, and where they aren't, that is the cold spots. So it even tracks how far down the page visitors scroll. It gives you a clear picture of how people interact with your site. Now, if your add to cart button is buried at the bottom of the page and no one scrolls that far, so people aren't going to buy your product. Use the data from Crazy Egg to adjust your web page. Place important elements like your call to action button where people are actually paying attention. Now, this helps you maximize your revenue by making it easier for visitors to take action. Now, you can also identify which pages people are getting stuck on and leaving. So, is the message unclear or confusing to them? So with Crazy Egg's easy-to-use editor, you can run the A/B tests without needing any coding skills. So just click a few buttons, make edits, and Crazy Egg will show different versions of your page to visitors. Now this helps you figure out which version drives more sales. So by consistently testing and improving your site, will not only convert more visitors but also attract even more traffic over time. So these are the first 3 ways to master digital marketing. Watch the next 3 ways in my next video, 6 ways to master digital marketing part 2. Click on the link below and stay tuned for all the AI related updates. Till then, bye bye, take care. And if you want to listen to the videos in Hindi, then head over to my channel ShePixel Hindi, and the link you will find in the description below. Thank you.